Respected Union Minister of Railways, Sri Aswini Vasnoji, my colleagues in the government of Mizoram and the officials from government of Mizoram, and two MPs from Assam, Sri Kanat Purkayastaji, Sri Parimal Supla Baidiaji, Sri Chetan Kumar Srivastava, GM NFR, Sri Samir Lohai, DMR Lamding, distinguished guests, and my dear friends, today is a momentous day for Mizoram. My deepest appreciation for the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji. It is his relentless focus on the Act East policy that has transformed Mizoram and the Northeast from a distant frontier into a growth engine of India. Under Modi's guidance, we are witnessing a historic shift towards inclusive development. He has ensured that no state, no matter how remote, is left behind in India's journey towards becoming Viksit Bharat. This train service today is a shining example of that vision turning into reality. I am most pleased to the Railway Minister for acceding our request to introduce this Sairang Silchar service. Silchar is not just a neighbor, it is our nearest and most critical economic corridor. I am certain this new rail service will enhance economic activities not just between Mizoram and Assam, but the rest of the country. It will act as a powerful engine for our state's flagship program, hand-holding policy. Honorable Minister Aswini ji, your dynamic leadership is evident to all of us. It has been only 5 months since the inauguration of the Sairang station, and I am very happy that we are already introducing this new line today. The speed of execution is commendable. I extend my sincere thanks to you and to the NFR, and in particular the Lambing Division, for their tireless work. With the introduction of Sairang station, tourism in our state has already increased multifold. I must also take this moment to convey my gratitude to you, Honorable Minister Sir, for the introduction of sleeping pods and Guwahati station. The innovative facility will prove to be immensely beneficial for the entire Northeast during their transit, ensuring their travel is comfortable and convenient. Sir, allow me to take this opportunity to make a gentle reminder of our discussion in Delhi sometimes back over the following points. Number 1 is construction of warehouse and coal storage here at Sairang railway station. Number 2 is extension of Delhi Silchar service up to Sairang station. Number 3 is finalization of extension of railway line from Sairang to the Peace City Tenzol, which will again be another big game changer for our state. Lastly, Aswini ji, we are really delighted to have you with us today virtually. We look forward to your physical visit to Mizoram to inaugurate future projects in the next not so distant future. Once again, on behalf of the people of Mizoram, my sincere gratitude to you all. Jai Hind.